There we have a BALBOR 10-inch bench grinder. It's a 1 horsepower, pre-wired 115 volt. You can also wire for 230 volt. It appears to be unused. It's in really good shape, and we're just going to fire up for you and just show you that it does operate. So there you go. Very quiet until you get some metal on there and you start grinding, of course. Shut the unit back off. Model number is 1022W. It includes your eye shields, your eye shield brackets, and your hardware for the eye shield brackets. And of course your tool rest. And it has some paint scuffs right at the top here from shipping. Other than that, it's in really good condition. Very easy to wire up. It has a wiring diagram on the back here for your low voltage and high voltage.